money on Zora app, but it's not that simple. It's a download and earn situation. It involves creating, selling, and increasing the value of your work. Zora allows you to mint your content, which is art, music, videos, etc., as on chain editions, and people can then purchase these editions directly from you. You can also set royalties, ensuring you earn a percentage each time your work is resold. As you can see on your profile, there is a buy button. You can earn money when people buy your content. Additionally, there are creator coins, which are like mini cryptocurrencies linked to your profile. Supporters can buy your coin and its value increases if your audience grows or your content becomes more popular. This means you benefit from both initial sales and future growth. Zora also rewards you passively with a small percentage in ETH from every trade of your creator coin. If the trade occurs in its original market, you also earn some of your own coin. Zora has allocated a portion of their Zora token supply for creators and active users. This means that you can earn tokens by publishing popular works, being an early creator, or participating in special campaigns. However, making money isn't guaranteed. You need to create content that people want to buy or trade. Also, because it's crypto based, be cautious of scams and always verify who you are interacting with. Hopefully, this explanation was helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.